Hello. Alright, so this is what I'm doing today. I am going to be working on getting a system. I've started a system for my Foundry BTT, and I'm writing a system, TTRPG system, and I am then writing a game system for Foundry for that system. So that's what I'm doing. It's pretty simple, not much there. Um, it's getting pretty far so far. So if nobody shows up here, I figured I'd stream it while I worked on it. Okay, so we have critical hit. It rolls double the damage. We do it again and roll with power die. It does double power die, double damage. If we roll with just power die. Alright. So let's see here. Getting this connected so that when you click the attack button, it automatically does it for you is the next trick to do. Let me pull up this so you guys can see. Alright, so when we go to do the attack, we need to get the item that they're attacking with. Don't have a way of doing that yet. How should I do that? Let's see here. I could easily just put a tag in the template of items. But yeah, that's what I'll do. So let's get that done. Okay, so base item is going to be equipped. This is going to be defaulted to false at the start. And now everything should have it, so I restart my Foundry. Start my Foundry, start it back up. Items should have an equipped option now. Of course, I have to enable that option. Let's see here. So enable that option. I've got to go to the item sheets that I want to have it enabled for. Fence is one. In the header, I'm going to go ahead and put a... Oh, let's go to weapons because it's going to be very similar to a boon. So let's copy the boon one. Quantity, well, attributes, description attributes, damage, rain type, pool. Okay, so it's actually on the actor sheet. So on the actor sheet under items, go to weapons, we have has boon right there. So this is going to be similar. It's just going to be a create. Duplicate this out. Wrong button. That out. I'm gonna call it equip. And do is change this to has boon to equipped. Class that is equipped. In case item dot has dot system dot equipped. See if that works here. Here, go there. Put to a character. The items equipped. Aha, it works. Still doesn't have to show up here. There's no need for it to show up there, so good enough there. Should I put it over on the edge? Should probably have it on the edge, shouldn't I? Yeah, I should. Do it right if you're gonna do it right. Gonna do it right. Oops. Set up. Here. Nope. Why did that not work? Oh, I moved it too far. That's a bummer. I'm doing all this work for nothing. I just got a message that some of my players aren't going to play this round today. Here. Just back this up one. Should fix the problem. There we go. It doesn't remember it. Why is it not remembering it? Do I do something? Oh, I do something with the boon. So we got to do this. Go to Actum Sheet. Change boon. Let's just pass that there for now. Just copy this. Let's do that. And we'll do event.current target. Oops, I didn't. Event.current target, element.dataset, id.item ID, actor.for each item, blah blah blah, update. Equipped with item dot equipped. And then just... whipped. Whip. Alright, so that should work. Let's try. Right. Alright. I love it. Makes me feel so good. So if we do physical, I did the equip thing, and I'm not sure I needed to. Because I still have to, like, search for, like, what they're using, and then have them choose. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Really, what I should do is when they roll on this, automatically do the damage. When they do this, they have to do the damage themselves. Can I... Hi. How you guys doing? Sorry, I was replying to a Discord message. I was supposed to do a test of this tonight, and a couple people dropped out, so I want to make sure that I get some more extra, so I was trying to find some. What I'm doing here is I am thinking about equipment in my system, and right now they can roll an attack this way, and it rolls, and then they can confirm it, and it will roll. But what I'm thinking is I kind of want it to be able to do damage in that roll, but to do that I have to know what's equipped or what they want to use. Yeah, I don't want dagger. But if they have dual weapons like two daggers, that becomes a problem. But if they click on here, they could roll it and cause the damage that way. Thinking, what should I do? I mean, obviously none of this is pretty yet. I haven't organized any of it to make it look pretty. Well, I have the equipment. I'll just leave the equipment because it's good for them to know what's equipped and what's not. That being said, I'm going to have to work on this role here, and instead of going directly to the role, I'm going to have to go to roll damage. Where is it? Roll damage. Instead of this, it's going to go to roll. Yeah, it's going to go to roll. No, okay, that's what I was looking into. Can I, in the weapons... Okay, where weapons? Okay, so there's the image. So I could put another image here. Or, call this an attack. And then do this one as damage. And then just replace this image with an actual image. Let's go to icons, flat icons. See if I can find a good flat icon. Oh, I got it. See if I can find a good attack icon. Oh, that works. Let's download that as a PNG. And then a good damage icon. See if they have a good damage icon. Not finding a good damage icon right now. Do damage icon. Let's see. What if I take weapon? Maybe there will be like a good weapon, like attack. Guess I'm gonna have to go with like this one. Does damage. Should probably go with a colored weapon attack then. Maybe this one. Oh, this one. We'll go with this one. Oh no, we'll go with this one. So it's both. Alright. So let's see here. So let's... place these into assets, which is assets right here. Oh, I guess I'm gonna have to drag and drop them. Alright, so let's go ahead and grab those. Let's do this one as the weapon dot. Oh, I don't need that. I just need this. Dot slash dot dot slash dot dot slash. See if this works. Let's change this to be explosion. See if there, go there, there. Broken. Humbug. Humbug. Why is that broken? What if I put them in the modules? Is it broken because I haven't built? No, I don't need to build. I only need to build when I have to do CSS work. So why is it not taking assets into account? Okay, so let's go to, I think I know why. I have to say system, have an image somewhere here that I can copy, but I'll just do it this way. So I have to do system slash GW slash assets. Oh, Romy, be quiet. You're okay. Hello, everyone. 4 people. I didn't expect 4 people to watch this. Slash system slash GW slash assets. I think that will work. Romy girl, it's okay. Romy, wake up. You're having a nightmare. So, all right. All right. Let's go ahead and, you know, I'm wondering if I should put this in the D&D group instead of the software and system development. I think I would get more views, but that's all right. Caleb, that did not work either. All right. Where do I have the image? It's up there. It's that. Okay. Let me go grab that then. Leave that. Where did I put that? I thought it was right here. Sheets. It's not sheets. It's canvas. Helpers? No, it's not helpers. But this gives me what I need. Oh, that's what I have. Oh, there's no forward slash. That could be part of the problem. There's no forward slash here. So just go to systems. Sure I have in systems. Let's see here. Here. Please give me something. All right. Yeah. It only gave me 1 though. So I think I need to. Which one did it give me? It gave me that one. So do that. Fast. Let's go ahead and restart and see what that gives me. See if that gives me anything. Yes. Booyah. Now that can roll for damage. This can roll to attack. We can change this to roll to attack with weapon, and it should get the weapon information. Because we have roll type, we have system pools, system item thing. Okay, so we can say we'll call this roll weapon attack. Weapon attack. What we can do is do similar stuff that we're doing here. HTML.find dot weapon attack. Click this dot underscore roll weapon attack dot bind so now we can come down here and where it is on just gonna copy this, name it to roll weapon attack. So we have the data set, we have the actor. We don't want to roll attack first. We want to do a roll first. So, all right. So, I've got to, let's write a little, I have to roll the attack, and then I have to take the attack results and roll the damage. Then report everything back to chat. Thanks. Yeah, this is D&D related, per se. But thank you for the lurk. I appreciate it. Okay, so roll attack. So that's simple. That's this. Now, I might be missing some data for that, so we'll hold off. And then, but I need the information to come back to here. So I'd have to return in the do roll. So in actor, in the do roll, at the end of it, after I render no, thank you. No, thank you. I'm good. And if you keep it up, I will ban you. Probably a bot, but we'll see. But all right, so all right, so what was I doing? Thinking. I need to return. Okay, this switch is fine. Oh, okay, so I need a role type. All right. What all data sets do we have? Current. Current. So I have a current, and I have, which is the current pool for that type. But I have the pool type, so I can get that information. So let's do that first. All right, so before we pass the data set in here, we have to take the this actor dot system dot data set dot pool. What did I call it? I called it pool type type. Pool type to lowercase. I think that will work. That might give me an actor. We'll probably find out. Hold on. And then the data set equals dot current this. See if that's fine there. Data.current. I need to change this. Okay, it's already roll weapon attack. So yeah, let's try that. See what happens. It's probably gonna crash. Probably gonna crash. Let's see. I would expect it to crash, to be honest. Well, not crash, but not work. Okay, so it rolls damage. Why is it rolling damage? Have it rolling damage? Is that what I'm... Thinking. It should be doing... Oh. I got put this in the wrong spot. Wanted this here. Let's just, for now, let's just console log out data set to make sure it's actually working. Oh, such a good dog. Yeah, let's console log out data set just to see if it's actually working. I don't think it's working. I'm far from the best programmer in the world. Far from it. I'm very far from it. Undefined type is not, I think, the reason why we're having this problem. is right. Let's call this role type. No, we have role type there. I don't trust it. How's your homebrew stuff coming, Truly? Are you... I know you're lurking, but... And you don't have to answer if you're busy. I was just curious, like... Tell me about your homebrew. Like, what's going on with it? So, it says that 2 lowercase doesn't exist. Let's just do this for now. And I will worry about... It's probably because of a type issue. Pretty positive I know what the type issue is and had to solve it. But we'll get there. Someday. Someday. Fun times. There we go. And it worked. Current, undefined. No, it didn't work. It says it's undefined. Even though the power type was physical. But it's lowercase, not capital. Sure why that is, but we'll take it. We'll do it. Probably because this can't be a capital. It probably can only be lowercase. Which is fine. I correct it so that it's corrected. Let's try this again. Welcome to the world of programming, Truly. It's just a matter of test, and try testing again. Yeah, it gave me an object. That's good. Object is good. It's not what I want, but it's something. That's why it wasn't work. 2 lower doesn't work. Power type. No, it would be giving me an object. That would be correct. And then I could do this. That should be correct. Should give me 22. Let me see if that's really what it does. Should give me 22. 14. Oh no, 14 is physical, not arcane. Physical. That makes sense. No problem. Thanks for lurking. I appreciate it, Jake. All right, so okay. This one should be arcane, I think. It's physical. But I thought, oh no, it's pistol. Let's add a weapon. Change it to be arcane. And we will change it to be 1d12. 12, just to test something. It has arcane. Good. And 22. Good, 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 good. Okay. That's working. So now, what other data sets do we need for this do roll? So current's done. has Bane. We know that from the item, so that's fine. Wait. Did I call it has Bane when it should be has Boon? Oh my lord. Don't tell me I did that. I'm sure I did do that. Oh, has Boon. Spoon. Has Boon. This has Bane then. I have Hasboon. Interesting. Oh, that's the item sheet. The actual character. Has Bane. But has Boon as one? Ah, it's the item has Boon. Need that anymore. Gotcha. That's what I'm doing. If current is less than 5, then it has a Bane. Gotcha. We can do that. Actor sheet. Back. Data set. Dot. As Bane equals data set. If data set current is less than equal to 5, that's true or false, then it should have that. That should be a false. False. Now let's lower it down to 5. See what happens. It's true. Okay. Well, that's working. What else do I have for a data set in that call for? Nothing. Role type. Going to be either A attack, M attack, or A attack, P attack, or M attack based on the. So we can do that too because we have the tool type. So we can say if switch. We'll do a switch. Data set dot pool type case pane, and we are going to data set dot role equals I really wish this would stop closing on me. Great. Case physical data set dot roles e attack case set role type and attack. To set role type P. I don't need the break, but I'm going to put it there anyways. All right, so now dataset should have our role type with it. We will check to see if it's working here. Oh, so two. See here, I know these should all be physical, so it should be PP attack, P attack, P attack. Good. Let's add an arcane weapon. Yes. Power type arcane. P attack. Okay, that's not working. Why isn't that working? I don't worry about capitalization, but I haven't done that yet. Might switch that to a drop down so you can't. In fact, I'm going to. I just don't know if I'll do it before tonight. Undefined. But you get it here. No, it's not working. Oh, 22. No, that is working. Am I mistyping it? Oh, I have it as pool type. It's power type. Should probably change that to pool type, but I'm not going to. I'm almost positive I should change that to pool type. We're not going to. Back. Good. I'll just do a mental one, just make sure. And in fact, actually, I'll do this mental one with a capital M, and I guarantee you it's probably going to go to P attack. Undefined. Aha. I've got to fix this here. Let's pool type. Let pool type equals data set. Pool power type. Console.log. I want to make sure it's a string before I use this type of make sure it's a string. String, gotta check to make sure it's a string before I do what I'm going to do. It's a string, okay. Then in that case, I can do this. Beeswax. No, I was right. Do lower case. Hey, Frog, how you been? Yeah, I'm trying to program. So you know that I've been writing a system, a TTRPG system. So I'm programming it into Foundry, and I've got most of it in there already, but I'm just making some nice to have things happen. We'll see how far I get. So, undefined. Why is it undefined? It shouldn't be undefined. I only got the string. I didn't actually get the print. Oh, because it didn't get there. That again. I use it on my day-to-day basis, but I would not say I'm good at it. I write really ugly code, honestly. If I was to be truthful. My code is always ugly. Oh, it just didn't update. I didn't update it. Yeah, I mean, I love JavaScript. I do. It's one of my favorites. Uh, so it's pretty good. Okay, so that's working. What else do I need for the do role for data sets? That's it, right? Yeah, that's it. So I should be able to call forth the do role now and have it work. So under active sheet, do role. Best suggestion is to just do it. Second suggestion, take a small boot camp. They're not super expensive. They're only like a couple $1,000. I mean, that's a lot of money. Don't get me wrong, but it really helped me fill in the blanks. Like I learned a little bit here and there, all over the place, and doing a boot camp kind of brought it all together. Best suggestion: go to school for computer science. You would get a better job. But it's not needed to get a job. There's a difference. I mean, hell, I'm working as a contractor at Apple. So it is a contract job. So I'm not working for Apple per se. All right, let's see what this does. This should work. I will see if it does. Should roll a attack. Good. Good. That's very good. So, do you want to do web app design or do you want to do web apps or do you want to do website design? Because there's a difference. I mean, if you want to do like a shopping app is different than you want to just do a basic portfolio page for someone. I mean, JavaScript is going to be needed with both of them, but they both act differently, like programming wise. Best thing to do is to pick up an object-oriented programming book. It doesn't necessarily have to be JavaScript. You can learn C, you could learn Python. Also, you need to learn, like, just because you want to do the website, if you want to really get a good paying job, you want to learn the back end also. So you want to be like focusing on both at the same time. So my suggestion is to learn either React, Vue, or it's the other one that I don't know. God, my brain today. Angular. Angular was the other word that I was looking for. Take a look at one of those languages. I'd recommend React or Vue. I find them easier. but you can get better jobs with the with Angular, because Angular works with C. So a lot of people use it with C sharp. So a lot of Microsoft applications use Angular. There's some that use React too, but most Microsoft-based programming companies, and when I say Microsoft-based programming companies, I mean like most companies that use C sharp, because if you use C sharp, you're going to be using Microsoft's software to design it. So I would recommend start out with React or Vue. React has more jobs, so I'd probably stick with React, especially in the United States. And I just go through a couple courses. I can send you some YouTube courses that I know are fairly decent, if you'd like. I'll definitely send you some. I know Net Ninja is a good one. He does some really good courses, and I know of a couple others. I'd have to bring up my YouTube to get the actual names, but I can do that for you. I'll send it to you in a private message later. Okay, so that's attacking, and then you can do damage right there. But now I want it to automatically go into the damage set. So I'm going to actually establish a data set. It says weapon. Let's put a data set on this button that says data type, role type. Oh, it says item. It's already, I can use that. Hey, Crystal the Toaster. How are you? How are you doing, Crystal the Toaster, today? And I feel like I should recognize that name, but I'm not recognizing it. Dream of mine one day is to code a simple game similar to a venture quest, just for me to say, look, what I made. That is the reason why I'm writing a book, RPG book. I literally am doing it just because it's been a dream of mine, and I'm just doing it. Alright, so need to roll into... So I have a damage type of item, a roll type of item. I thought I was still printing it out, but I wasn't. But that's okay, I have one up. No, I didn't restart it. Alright, well, let me console log out that so I can see what that looks like. Get rid of these console logs because I don't need them. That. Role type. It's one word with a capital. Okay. So on the do roll, after the do roll, all working, role type. Oh, I really should have put notes. A drop table? Probably not. But I don't have to program a drop table. I can just come in here and create a roll table. And then just build it from here. I can just drag and drop items into there and just roll it from there. And it will just roll it for me. You don't have to program that. That's already built into the system. And you can actually, like... you can actually drop stuff on here. Like items. So when it rolls... it will actually give them a place where they can drag and drop it into the character sheet. So, yeah, you don't have to do that. Technically, I don't have to do anything that I'm doing right now. I'm doing it as extras to watch what I'm doing. Let's see here. So, it's rolling, but I need to get to the end of that system. So, all right. Roll info. I really need to rewrite this. It's a giant mess. That's what I have to do. I really should rewrite this entire role structure. It's a mess. I didn't realize what I was doing when I started, and it just added to the mess as I was going. That's for another day, though. For tonight, because I need it for tonight, I need to do this. You know what? I'm good. I'm going to leave it where it is for now. If I'm going to rebuild it, it works. It allows me to, allows them to roll right from the weapons. And then they can also roll up here if they want. It takes out from the mental status. I think we're good there. Let's call that good for there. Let's bring up my Trello board. See what else I wanted to do. Foundry system. Added that. Fix item rollers to handle things besides rolling. I'm going to say that's in progress, but not done. Add a roll button for Destiny die. Did I do that? I did not, and I should do that. Let's do that, because that won't be hard. I have the actor information. Async. Roll. Destiny die. Here, I don't think I'll need it, but let's put the event anyways. This actor roll Destiny die. And under actor, let's go down. It's going to sync. Yeah. I'll show you how to do that in 2 seconds. Let me get the system set up so that I know it's already there, so I don't have to deal with it. We're just going to take this actor, dot system dot destiny die. And we're going to just let total equal this. If total is greater than 0, then we are going to roll a die. Trying to remember how to do that. That's why I'm doing this. Need dialogue. I don't need dialogue. I need roll. There we go. That's what I want right there. On D12. On D12. And just send to roll data. Destiny die. And what else do I need? I need action text. Fine. Fine there. And then roll results. I think that's blank at the moment. It is. Just copy it because I know it's working. This works, so. We'll do that, and then else, if it's not, we're just going to return because we don't want them to do anything. I'm gonna grab roll data, and then we're gonna send roll to chat. Okay. Now, to set up the event click that you wanted, first we gotta create the actual event button because I don't have a button for it. And then I need a button. Actually, I'll do this with an H tag. No, I'll do it with button. Why not? But it's not a floppy disk, it's a die, which I have. Where is it? There it is. And we will call this Destiny Roll. All right, so now that we have that up, we have to go to the actor sheet, and all of my things are here. We will just say roll Destiny tie. Really, this should be an underscore. Doesn't need to be, but it really should be. It is an underscore. I did do an underscore. Ha ha ha. Smart. Alright, so that should work. I always say should because I'm not always the greatest at JavaScript. I'm good. I'm not great. Roll Destiny die. Cannot find the properties of undefined. Shit, I should have checked that. What am I calling it? Oh, I'm calling it DD die, not Destiny die. That's, well, that would be a problem. Need to update system dot DD die is what I'm calling it. Sometimes the way I come up with names is just ridiculous. I'm horrible at name coming up. I have no logic when it comes to names. All right, let's see if that works here. Dang, it's still a problem. Whoa, I'm getting a raid? Hey, Corey Bear, how are you doing? Let me switch to just me for a sec. You're still going on. I thought you were still streaming. Nice to meet you. Thanks for raiding. I appreciate it so much. How was your stream? Did you solve the problem? I did not turn on my alerts. Sorry, Frog. That's why we got raided. Because I didn't turn them on. Every time I don't turn them on, I get raided. So how was your stream? Was it good? Did you solve the problem with the pyramid thing that you were making? Oh, it was a tent. Okay, it looked like a pyramid, and I kind of just caught you at the beginning, in the middle, so it wasn't working out. So, you had problems with the things not working, right? It was much easier lines, less curves. Oh, you made it? Okay. I guess, yeah, you were definitely arguing when I checked you out. You were having some frustrations. That's all right. JavaScript is not treating me well tonight either. So, so if you're here, if you're new, I should say this. My name's Dave. I'm also known as Grimwood Games. I do a lot of TTRPG stuff, but sometimes I will do programming and video games on here too. Right now, we are doing some programming. I am writing my own TTRPG system, and I am currently converting that system into Foundry so that when I do playtests, I can quickly do them easily over online. So the system is pretty much set. I'm just cleaning up a few extra things, nice to haves, such as having an attack button right where the items are. But I am basically, that's what I'm doing today. Spending my day doing that. I program for a living and I'm programming on the side for fun. You know, one of those things. So, the system is a D12 system. I don't know how many of you are interested in never too much programming. That's right. It's the TTRPG system is a D12 system with a 3-pool system. So what that means is basically you roll a D12 and you get numbers between 1 and 12. The pool system allows you to bump up those numbers based on what you want to use, but it's also used for your health and your maintenance. So it's a good balancing act. And so far, it's a pretty fun system. People have enjoyed it. Other than that, we have going on the channel, we do have on Friday nights we have a Easy D6 game that I run, which is set in the same world called Grimwood City. And then every other Sunday we have a really fun pirate game that's very deadly and a lot of people die and it's really fun. But today I thought I'd just hop on and work on this because I need to get it done because I have a playtest tonight. That being said, we were working on getting a Destiny die roll working, but it's saying that something is undefined, and I think I know why. I put .system, and it's .systems. Pretty sure it's .systems because it's DD1. Okay, that should be working. Unfortunately, I have to keep restarting every time I change something because of the way Foundry works. Now, Foundry is my virtual tabletop. So a virtual tabletop is basically a thing that you can use to play games with. So you get a whole bunch of random icons for characters, and you can actually roll right from here, and it will roll the rolls for you and give you the result, so you can actually quickly play games. That being said, still not liking it. Why is it not liking it? What did I screw up? And yes, I'm pretty sure I screwed up. So, did you catch the pirate board frog? Because it was really fun. Why is that not working? Let's go back here and take a look at something. No, it is system. Okay, it's system. And it is under base. And it's not under, yeah, so it should be on the top level. Oh, things are not treating me well today. System.die. So system. Maybe I don't have a actor. This dot. Oh, maybe it's not. Yeah, this dot actor. That's a possibility. It's a possibility that I don't have the actor like I think I should. Let's find out. Yeah, I don't have the actor. Okay, that's easy enough to solve. I'll just pass it through. Gotta love Alexa. Okay, so why don't I have... I'm in the actor... define. Oh, it's just this. Oh, that's why. I'm in the actual system, so I don't need to. God, I knew that too. One of those. You know what you're doing. Okay, that's good. It's getting past the thing, but it says role HTML is not defined. Yes, it was. No, it's not. Now it is. Okay, thank you. You have a nice night too. Let's see here. Okay, so send role to chat is not defined because stupid me. Yep. If I'm stupid. Not global because every time I put it global, it doesn't work. So stupid. Should have seen that coming. Use HTML. You can use the HTML, but I have to have it because it's needed for other places. Just create it and make it empty. Dice roll is not defined. Dice roll is defined. Not be defined. Yarn dev, don't do that. I don't need to. I'm so used to working on things that I need to rebuild that I want to go rebuild it. Let's see if this works. Aha! Success! We have success. Awesome. 10 people watching me do this. I'm not sure why. All right, so that can be marked off my Trello as done. Add roll button for dice, that's done. Drop class item, we haven't done that. We haven't done that. We're not going to do that. Active fighting stance. That's going to be a lot of work. Reload and ammunition is not going to be as much work as... Yeah. I think might be... I might switch this to melee weapons and range weapons and have them separated. think that's all I'm going to do for tonight, because if I do any more, I'm going to break the system. Let's switch back to... Oh, you guys haven't even been seeing. No wonder. You guys are sitting here listening to me just chat in front of you with nothing. You haven't seen what I've done. So what I'm doing now is you can roll a destiny die. So destiny dice are replace a die on a die roll. So if you roll a die and you don't like it, you can use your destiny die, if you have one, to re-roll that die. So I was just creating a button to allow me to do that. But I think that is it for tonight. So let's... who is streaming now that's doing software development? Okay. To here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the browser. Get out of... Oh, Observer Herb's going. We'll raid Observer Herb. If you haven't seen Observer Herb, he's great. He's really fun. Self back into my channel. All right, let's go see Observer Herb and see what he's doing. Looks like he's going through his Trello board. So, you guys have a nice night, and thanks so much for the raid, Corey. And here we go.
This may crash the music.